home click, data was coming from home file. Why is it slow not happening? Okay, so till gallery 1 we have reached. In the gallery 1 we have displayed photo or not? Gallery page was, photo was there, but photo has not come here. Okay, it's loading slowly little. System might be busy somewhere. Come again. Which table? Array. Which table you want? I given some assignment. That what she's asking. How to do that? That is called ignorance. Once we ignore the small work, no, the big work will become difficult. Okay. I given that task intentionally so that you should realize that there is a lack of knowledge. Okay. Okay. Complete. Yeah, that I will guide you. Let's complete this 2 page. We'll finish the Ajax, then I'll guide you. Speak little louder. Yes, error is coming in this page. That I will guide you. We'll finish the Ajax and after that I'll guide you maybe today or tomorrow. Okay. I will guide you how to read the data from that URL. When you read this little fine speed. Okay, so we can go next and let us see this one, JSON parsing. JSON parsing, how it is going to work. We have a function here called JSON1 and JSON2. So you create a function here again, JSON1 and JSON2. JSON1, JSON2. That file I have given you, okay. Similar way, company also give the URL like that only. Data will be somewhere in the corner. You have to go there and bring and display. Okay. Let's go there. Write a function. JSON1. Okay, JSON1, this is not found. Function get JSON1. Get JSON1. The function name inside the get JSON1. You can read the content from gallery. You can take the code from the gallery and paste here. Take the code from gallery and paste in this. And after that, change the file name here, called item.json. Item.json. Okay. Get JSON one. Get JSON one. Inside we are calling item.json file. So create a file item.json in the same folder, Ajax folder only. Create a file item.json. Item.json. Under the item.json, as a single dimensional array, you will store here some item name. Apple, banana, orange, grapes, mango, rice. Some. So we added total how many items? 6, 7. No comma in the last. So we have not given any comma in the last. Comma we should not give in the last. Save the file, click on button, get anything is coming or not. Are we getting any content? JSON parsing, if you click, it should display you just like the array. Same array. The content of that file is displaying here. Content of that file is displaying directly in the browser. Let's add some more. Water. Next is for milk. Water. Then milk. This is called something. Books. Now save the file. Again click there. This content should get replaced there. Coming. If we click there, this content will come there directly in the browser. JSON parser one. Okay. So this content is coming from JSON file. This content is coming from JSON file, and that you are under the index.js file. Okay. So next we will be working on JSON converting into array and displaying inside the browser. So let's go here and delete this line. Keep here a variable called item equal to JSON dot parse. JSON dot parse. JSON dot parse. JSON dot parse. Now come down below, write a alert item dot length. JSON dot parse. What is doing here? length. JSON dot parse. length. JSON dot parse. Convert from JSON to array. You can write here a line. JSON to array. The car list you saw, the comment list we have listed, some user list was coming from that server to our fetch function. All was coming in the JSON format only. Now JSON format, there we have used .json function, if you remember. Response.json we used to write for the same purpose. But here we don't have response.json. We have a class called JSON. Under the JSON class, we have a function called parse. It will convert JSON data into array. Then below we are printing array.length. That is called item.length. Item.length. Check now. Are you getting the length? How many elements you have stored there will come as a length. Now this array, so it's converted into array, then only it's giving the length. It's got converted into array, then only it is giving the length. If it will not convert into array, it will not give the length. If it will not convert into array, then definitely it will not give the length. Okay. Now after that, if we have a data inside the array, we can use the map function here. We can use the for each here. We can use the for loop here, and then we can display the data inside the browser. So let's go now. You can use the for loop also. You can use the map also. You can use for each also. All three options we have. We can use any method and display the data in the browser. We'll create a variable var data equal to h3. Inside we can write here item list and close the heading tag. Come down. After that, we have to use a for loop function here, and using the map function we can use simple. Using the map function we can get the data and display in the browser. So let's go here and write a item.map name of the item as well as the index of the item. M item.map. Hope ready. After that, can create the paragraph here. Data plus this you want to restart. Okay. Connect on the phone. Restart. Data equal to data plus, open the p tag, plus close the p tag. Inside you can write your call name. So it is going to display all the items. Next, after that, come down below. You will write document.getElementById inner HTML equal to that data variable. See now, once you click on button from that array, which array? Item.json file where we have stored the content, all will come and it will convert into the paragraph and it will display a list of paragraph. Extension is video. Hmm? Getting the items. On the click of that, it's displayed here. So these all are the static way, directly contained. In that for loop connection not required. But since from here in this, you are getting data in JSON format. JSON directly will display to user. User will get confused. User will understand there is error in the website. So that JSON we have to convert and then we can display here. We have used a class here in this file. If you remember the class, okay, which is the class? Class is I guess called 3. 3, correct? Class name is 3 only, no? We can use that class here. Under the index.html file, for paragraph you can write class equal to 3. So in one line, 3 item will display. Okay. Class equal to 3. So in one line, how many are coming? 3 is coming. Okay, cool. Now let's go here and see once 3 will come in one line. If you increase the element in that array JSON file, automatically here also it will get increased. Okay, next file we have this one. Which one? JSON 2. Working or error. See, this code is same till here. One line is added extra JSON.parse. Why JSON.parse we have added? Because we are calling a JSON file. This JSON file will give the data in JSON format. That JSON is like a string. It's an array. So that if it display to user, user will confuse. User will feel like there is error in the website. So we cannot display the JSON data to user. We have to convert the JSON into array, or maybe we have to do something. After that only we can display inside the browser. So for that, the JSON data we converted into array, and after that we are printing inside the is from array we converted into paragraph, and then paragraph you formatted through CSS and display. Now create next file, item2.json, or maybe you can write book.json. Anything is fine. Book.json. Item2.json file or book file. What we are creating? Book.json. Yeah, create file book.json. Book.json. Under the book.json file, we will store the data in multi-dimensional array like this. Okay, we will go here, follow the array, write inside call name HTML, name topic 20, date 30, day, day, day you can write, or maybe you can write called class 20. So name topic class. Now copy the same and paste below one more time, 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 one more time. This way. Change that CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, React, laptop. Laptop is here only. This mouse and this charger. Okay, change the number 10, 10, 20, Okay, hope ready. Make sure you have not given comma in the last. Comma is there in the last or no comma? No comma. Okay. Right. Jason is ready. It is right or wrong. You can't identify now. Once you run the page, then you will come to know if it is right or wrong. Okay. See, key and value both are in double quote. Key and value all are in double quote. Name is the key, HTML is the value. Topic is the key and the 20 is the value. Class is the key and again return 20 is the value. So all should be in the double quote and comma is the separator. Now come to your index.html file. In index.html file, you can go here and write one more function. JSON one we can copy and we can just below and we'll keep as a JSON2. We can keep as a JSON2. JSON2. Inside this, you are going to call the book.json file. Book.json file. Okay. After that, delete this map function and find here item.length. Let it be all same. Write here item.length. Delete the map function and keep here item.length. 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 Getting the length? How many? Whoever is not getting length, his JSON is wrong. For me, 6 is coming. If your length is not coming, that meaning your JSON data is wrong. I will share that JSON data in chat also. In case if it is saying 0 or null or error or no error, you can use that JSON content I share in your page. Okay, ready? Screen is not in the chat. Now go here under the index file and we have to create a table at this place. So how to create table? We have written here h2. H2 you have written. Instead of h2 now open the table. Open the table and close the table. Table you can keep align left, right, center, anything. Cell padding 15, 20 we can give. Data equal to data plus close the table. So table will be closed here. Where? Next, after that you have to write again data equal to data plus open the, okay, not this one. We have to create now for loop. So write till here, then we will use the for loop now. Map function we can use item.map. Inside we can write info comma index. Info comma index. And here we can use info comma index, and here we can use first to alert here info.name and check one by one, are you able to see the name of all the items? One by one, are you able to see the name of all the items as an alert? Okay, so pretty. You are getting the name of all the items. When we click on second button, it will display only name, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. All the names are coming. Now we have to generate the TR here. At this place, we have to generate the dynamic TR. Table is open in the beginning, table is closed in the last. Now you will go inside and write /n everywhere. See, table open, keep a /n. Table close, keep a /n. Okay. Now come inside, open a TR. So data equal to data plus. We are generating the TR now. TR. Open the TR and the same time, close the TR. TR is open. TR is okay. TR is open. TR is closed. Now after that, come inside. Right here, put a /n also here if you want. /n. It will keep some /n. In TR, keep double /n. Now we have to generate the TD. We will be doing console.log to understand what is happening. Data equal to data plus open the TD. And here you add the info.name plus close the TD. Close the TD. Again, they have how many columns we have there? We have total name, price, no name, topic, and class. Correct? 3 we have. So we can keep here. One you can print as a index. Second you print as a name. Third you print as a topic, TOPIC, and third you print as a CLASS class. And /n apply everywhere. /n and /n. And at last, alert we have made. Let it be alert also. See what is coming in alert. In alert, it will display the list of contents. Check the alert. Coming list of how many tables? How many items we have, that many it will come. Is it printed directly? Console.log I have given. Item data. Oh, I should give here data. Data. Print here called data. See, alert here, data. You will come to know in data what is coming. Alert as a data. Then check what is coming in data. Data is going to give you so many tables. You see, list of tables are coming. Table open, table close somewhere, and tr, td everywhere. Let's go to the console and check here. Instead of alert, write console.log. Console.log. Data variable, do console.log. Check in console also. In console.log, print and check. Console, you have to go right click, inspect element. There console will come. Right click in browser. Go to the inspect. Then under the inspect. Under the inspect. Under the inspect, you will click on console. Under the inspect, you can click on console. In console, after coming to console, click on this button. It's a printing here. Can you see the table? Printing the table code complete. So this table is generated by JavaScript. Data came from JSON file. For loop we run under the JavaScript and table got ready. And the same table to table through inner HTML, if we send to browser, then what will happen? It will display like this, no? Display like this. Now we'll come to the code, and if you have got idea, remove /n, you check in the console. Console is not coming. Output is coming or not? Check here, yeah. This line you have to write console.log. Click here, yeah.
I'll give you that. It's coming.
Console.log where here. After that, you check in browser.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First refresh your page. Now after that, click on the message. Click on this icon. Click on the response. 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 That is something else. Your page is not getting reload. After that, close this all. Once you print here, it's printed. But
Console, it's not showing.
console, there is some problem from here. Side it will come. What you have written?
Console.
console.log as a data. Delete here. This file is saved or not?
Yes, sir. So,
Keep a alert here before this line. Keep a alert.
I'll give you that. It's
Right there. Alert. Check now. We got an alert.
yes, sir.
Console is failing. Let's come and check. Delete this. Go to the code. Console.log right again. Console.log. Keep inside data variable. Come sequence. This goes somewhere. Warning input is coming in the logs. See this?
Yes.
In console, if you click on log, then it will come. Ours is Chrome, yours is Mozilla. Okay, so you can see the data under the console, right? Now this data come from where? This data come from a separate file that is called book.json. So instead of book.json, this data will come from the Java file. It will come from the PHP file. There will be file called book.php. There will be file called book.jsp, book.asp. From there you have to get the data. So the backend file also will give the similar content. You have to convert into array, and then after that you can run the loop, and you have to generate the output as per requirement. Display. Entire table you have to create in JavaScript. To display the data in table, entire table you have to write in JavaScript. This data where you are sending in container. First button click, what it will come? First button click, it will come as a HTML code. So if you write here table, how you will display? Second button click, also normal text. Here it is coming in paragraph. Once we click here, it's come in the table. So this all has to generate by JavaScript. Okay, here what you are generating in the first function, you are generating as a paragraph. Generating here, if the requirement is of table, we have to write the table, complete table, table to table, end to end. This only. Mhm. There also we have to follow the same, but there you can create different pages. Not necessary all you can implement in one page. There you can create different page for different URL. For one URL, you can create one page and display in table. The table is not matter. Matter is from that URL, are you able to get the data or not? Are you able to fetch the data or not? Okay, now come for this, you create a heading on the top. It is only data. We need to create the heading also. Now before the for loop, before the map function, in data variable only, you have to open a tr and close the tr. tr open close, and under that you have to write a th. The first th, serial number, second th, book name, the third th, price and not price, topic and class. So you are going to write total 4 th open and close. If you write in body, then you cannot write here. th, that is called topic. And see, close the th. Next, after that, write the next th. Call the class. So this everything be added in one tr that become as a heading of the table. Then you will see for product heading will also come now. For product heading will also come. How to Coming the single line meaning TR is open and close, table open close, TH TR open close, TH open close, TD open close, TH open close, TD open close, table is also open close. Hmm? But this is displaying how many users? How many book? All three are coming? HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Okay, so you got mix up here altogether. Okay, no problem. So open the T body here. T head you can open. T head open and T head close here. T head open and T head. T head open, T head close. Again, after that, one more T body you have to open and T body you have to close. Oh, data plus we are given. Data plus equal to, hold on. T head is not required. T head is not required. T head is not required. Data plus equal to, because you have to do concatenation. We are given only data equal to, so the table got replaced with the TR. So it was not forming the table. Data plus equal to. It's like data equal to data plus. Same syntax in the shortcut way. Same syntax in the shortcut way. Okay, ready? Now it should give you the data. Come in the table. You can increase the width and apply the border, or better in the CSS you can write. For CSS file, in the CSS file you can write table width and everything. Why to make so much congested here? Or if you are okay, you can write here also border and width. Write the table border and width. Width, suppose if I write here width equal to 70% and border equal to 1. There's a 70% border equal to 1. So table will take 70% and there will be 1 pixel border. Ready? Cover full width. Now inside the table you can add one caption also. Go here, add one more line. Data equal to data plus, open the caption, close the caption, right inside H1 list, close the H1. Ready? This complete data is coming from the JSON file. But content is coming from the JSON file and table you are creating under the JavaScript. In all the function, see in all the function, from all the function, get home, get about, get contact, get gallery, JSON1, JSON2, from all the function, content you are sending to where? Only one place, that is called division. See here, no? Why surprise? Container dot inner HTML. Look at here. In this function also container dot inner HTML. In this function also container dot inner HTML. Here also container dot inner HTML. Here also container dot inner HTML. All the function, whichever the function we have, all the function is sending the data to only one place. That is called container. So get home is sending as a complete HTML. Get about is also sending complete HTML. Get contact function is also sending complete HTML. Get gallery is also sending complete HTML because you are reading which type of file? HTML file. But JSON one, it is reading the data in the array as a JSON format. And after that from JSON it's converting into array. Then you are doing the processing here. You are writing the code to process that. Convert from JSON to array and then create the paragraph for each every element. That meaning at this place you are writing as a dynamic HTML here. This becomes your dynamic HTML. And finally this dynamic HTML, all the content you are sending to where? Container. So the JSON one have the data as a single dimensional array. It generated the paragraph. JSON 2, if you see, it has a multi-dimensional array. It cannot use p tag here. It has to display the data corresponding to that. So data is in multi-dimensional array. So here we have to use the table or we have to use the division. And inside the division, we have to display separate user details, right? Separate item details. So table when we have created, you should not feel surprised here because in JavaScript only you are going to write this all. Okay, dynamic. This becomes what? Dynamic HTML. Dynamic HTML. DHTML. There, on the basis of content, you are generating the tag directly. How many TR we wrote? Only one TR here. But suppose from the JSON file, if 100 record will come, this TR will get repeated total 100 times. 100 times it will get repeated. And total 100 TR it will generate. Okay. So, you have done same, no, in API. There we have read the data, we have created the paragraph. Use the table there. What is your problem? Yes, same way you can use. But if you will not practice this kind of example, you will forget it easily. Okay, now I will give you one assignment based on Ajax. You can try that. Let me show you the assignment. Here it is under the, okay, in this system it is there or not sure. Basic HTML assignment. Okay, it is here. Let me open the website. Show you. Why is this page too slow? LMSglobe.com website. Right, the LMS Globe website. We can go to this URL. Here under the HTML assignment, if we come in lmsglobe.com HTML assignment, in HTML assignment, if I go to the last set, this set number which one? Set number 3. Let me open any set. Set number 1, first photo. Set number 2, second photo. Okay. This only, or which one you will do? Okay, better come to the last one. Set number 6. Open that. In the set number 6, where in the HTML assignment set number 6, it is made based on frame set. It is made based on frame set, but we have to make that one using the CSS and Ajax. Now let me open the first page. Okay, when I open the first page, in first page you see here, what is the design? First, you have to create how many blocks? You have to design a layout using HTML and CSS. This is the first block. This is the second block. This is the third block. This is the fourth block. And this is the fifth block. Okay. It's not the frame set. It is not frame set. It is HTML page inside. Blue is one division. Blue is one division. Orange is another division. This sky blue is the third division. White is the fourth division. And the green is the fifth division. Now this is the hyperlink. So you can call the function on hyperlink click also, I will guide you. Or if you are not okay with the hyperlink, you can create the button here. How many buttons? 5 buttons. 5 buttons. First button, second, third, fourth, 5. Okay, when we click on home, this content should appear here. Top, left, right, bottom will be fixed. Only the content will change under the this below. When we click on contact us button, the content should change here. Contact us, how it will look. Let me click on the next page. contact us is here. You can see left is same, top, bottom same, only the content change under the middle section. The third one is, let me click third photo. Third photo is something else, service. When we click on service button, then the content should come. This all you read is a static page only. I'm not asking to read the JSON and display here. Okay, create how many pages? Client.html, product.html, service.html, contact.html, and home.html. And first design a layout like this using HTML and CSS. After that, when you click on any button in the orange block, the content should change to which block? White block. Look into our page. What we have done. This is one division. This is one division, and this is which one? Another division. You are clicking in any button, content is changing under which division? Container. Similar way, you can design a page where the white division we have. For that, you can give ID as a container and click on any button using Ajax that change the content under this particular block. Okay. If you can try, it will be very, very helpful for you. If you will not try, then no meaning of that. Okay, so using Ajax, you can try, it will be. First, you will get idea how to design the layout. Second, on button click, how to call the different function using Ajax, and it must run through this one. Through which one? Through the live server. Without live server, Ajax will not work. Okay. Open lmsglobe.com. lmsglobe.com and then IT assignment, HTML assignment. In mobile also you can open. You can open in mobile, you can see in mobile and you can write in the system. In IT assignment, HTML assignment, lmsglobe.com. or you can search Info Campus Learning Management System. So here HTML assignment in that last set. Which set? Set number 6. Under the set number 6 there is a 5 photos. So you can try using the Ajax if possible. Homework, if you consider it a compulsory, it will give a lot of value. It will give a lot of value. Shall I share the link in the chat? WhatsApp, not WhatsApp, in the Zoom chat. Okay, I sent you in the Zoom chat in that set number 6. Set number 6. Look like possible or not possible? You have to spend the time. There is no other way. Finish this part, then I'll guide you tomorrow. That URL I have given, which URL. How to get the data from the URL if the data is on multi-level. It is simple only. Just we have to capture the object. Set number 6 compulsory. Do that and send the photo in the WhatsApp group. After completion of that, send the photo in WhatsApp group. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow again. You ask something. Basically, then say, now this photo you have downloaded, right? And this we have to design first layout using HTML, CSS, and after that, then you click on this button. This is a create button. When you click on this button, the content should change.
You are giving one. One array of multiple key values.
I will guide you for that. Complete this assignment, which one? The lab part, okay? That URL how to read will be tomorrow task. ఎవరికి దీంట్లో బ్లూ గ్రీన్ ఎల్లో ఇవి చేయాలా జస్ట్ హైపర్ లింక్స్ అది చెప్పండి పాయింట్
అతనే చెప్పినాడు కదా హోమ్ క్లిక్ చేసేది రావాలి కాంటాక్ట్ క్లిక్ చేసేది
చెప్పినాడు అంటే ఇది మళ్ళీ అప్పుడు ఈ రిజల్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం ఓకే దీనికి సపరేట్ గా మనం కోడ్ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది అది ఎంత అది నాకు ఐడియా
అందుకే డ్యూ తీసుకుంటే అది క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది నువ్వు యాడ చేంజ్ పేజ్ ఒకటి జస్ట్ ఇది ఉంది కదా ఇది HTML బ్రో నేను కూర్చుని నైట్ అయితే నాకైతే సిఎస్ఎస్ లో ఏం లేదు జస్ట్ తెలుస్తాను సిఎస్ఎస్ చేస్తాను కోడ్ నావిగేషన్ చేసుకుని జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ సెపరేట్ నావిగేషన్ పైన హెడర్ కింద ఫూటర్ ఉంటుంది దాన్ని ఏం అవసరం లేదు పైన హెడ్ ఇది ఫూటర్ పైన నావిగేషన్ చేసుకుంటే ఇందులో ఉండేదంటే కంటెంట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఈ రెండింటికి ఫ్లోర్ లెఫ్ట్ తీసారు ఈ రెండింటికి కొంచెం తీసి వర్కింగ్ పైన అది ఇస్తే అవన్నీ ఒకే టిప్ లో అన్ని అవుతాయి ఈ లైన్ అన్ని ఒకే టిప్ లో అవుతాయి ఈ టిప్ ఫ్లోర్ ఎందుకు అట్లాంటిది కాదు టిప్ అనేది 5 ఉంటుంది దానికి డిబ్బి కోసం అట్లా జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ పైన హెడర్ చేసి అది కింద మాత్రం నావిగేషన్ వస్తుంది నావిగేషన్ తీసుకో తీసుకొని 4 ఇది కాస్ట్ ఫోటోలు ఇస్తాయి
దాన్ని బట్టి నాకేం అర్థమైతే దాన్ని బట్టి నేను క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను
చెప్తున్నాడు నెక్స్ట్ ఇది మొత్తం బట్ అది కాంబినేషన్ కాదు బడ్జెట్ గురించి చెప్పకూడదు ఏదో ఒక శాతం మాట్లాడి
ఆయన ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే డ్రెస్ కోడ్ వైట్ అండ్ వైట్ మ్యాచ్ వైట్ అండ్ వైట్
ఈ కొత్త కొత్తలో మ్యాచ్ కోసం కొంత పెట్టుకున్నానంటే
ప్రొఫెషనల్ వైట్ నేను ఆడగా 45 సంవత్సరాలకి మ్యాచ్ అయిందంట నువ్వు మాట కోడ్ మాత్రం
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir, sir, can I share my email ID for access the YouTube channel?
Earlier we used to access, no?
Yes, sir.
Before you are accessing my channel, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Share your screen. I have made you host. Log into your Gmail. Those Gmail ID that you have given us. In the Gmail, you search info camp CRM Software Academy.
This one is, sir.
That one only. So that earlier you have clicked or not? Why you are clicking today?
Sir, clicked earlier. Showing this like this, sir.
Close this. Go to the profile.
Which one?
Profile in the
This
right
profile?
side. Right side. There is a profile icon now.
Yes, sir.
That is the right side or left side.
Okay, okay. Sorry, sir.
Click on that. Click on switch account.
Okay, okay, sir.
My name. You have created your own channel and unnecessary you are struggling. Now the URL I have given, where is that URL? Go to that playlist. Playlist.
Yes, sir.
Up. There is a 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Jan will be written somewhere.
Here.
Blue one.
Yes, sir.
This is the playlist. Click on that. Play all.
Okay, sir.
React.js will be in the
Thank you,
last.
sir. Yes,
Okay. You can
yes,
follow.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Backend 8 नहीं की.
Need like 75,000. What from मैं आता इंटर जाता नंतर मुंबई ने तर कोलकाता लोकेशन
दादाजी
मी गेलो असतो बघा तवा यायला पाहिजे होते मला येते पूर्ण कसं येते मला
बोलावून दे ना.
पण कसं ते मला मॅटर खोल्यावर नाही 375 हे 3.3 काय नशीब आहे.
मग हे उगाच इंटरव्ह्यू द्यायचा बघ की. दे उगाच. दे.
आता हे झालं आता हे नातने रिव्ह्यू करायला येते आता ऑफर लेटर झालं
नाही हे दे उगाच.
मग 50,000 रुपये देत आहे मी 2 दिवस अटेंड नाही झालो तर नामने पप्पाने केलं येऊन पप्पाला पकडतात
किती भारी चान्स होता नाही.
आहे मला एसपीएल आणि मायस्क्यूएल मध्ये काय पण डिफरन्स नाही आहे. काय पण डिफरन्स नाही. ते ह्याला बसते का बघा मी काय म्हणाले
लॅपटॉप का.
काय पण डिफरन्स नाही एसपीएल मायस्क्यूएल मध्ये. आयुष्य गेलो असतो राहून दे यार. मला काय वाटलं पण टीचर कॉलेज नंबर आला रे मी तुझ्या बघ झालो नंबर मध्ये जे त्यांना सिमेंट झालो म्हणून
कुठे गेलो समजत करतो.
काय रे आता हे कसला मोबाईल आउट फोटो कुठे काय आलं नाही ते
काय माहिती येते. तू फॉरवर्ड केलंस का मला कोणाचं तर फॉरवर्ड केलंस. फॉरवर्ड करू नको असं नुसतं शेअर कर.
शेअर केलं मी फॉरवर्ड कुठे गेलं कोणाला घेतो मला शेअर करा. अरे पहिला गॅलरीत जा, ते वॉलपेपर मध्ये जाऊ नको डायरेक्ट. तू वॉलपेपर गेला तर नसेल येत, गॅलरीत जा.
स्टॉप ट्रायल.
कुठे गेली एवढा उशिरा? मग पूर्ण बसण झालं ते.
मला तर काय बसत
एवढंच बसतं. थांब जरा सरको अजून जरा इकडं. थांब बसवतो एवढं.
इथं फुटलंय म्हणे आता.
बसव मोठा आहे ते स्क्रीन, स्वप्न स्क्रीन बारीक करायला येत त्याला. त्या साईडला लय झालं. मला बसून बघा. तुझं व्हॉट्सअप ओपन केलंच नाही तू? पुढे व्हॉट्सअप ओपन आहे तुझं? तिथं जाऊन बघा.
Okay, so now we'll go to the next called class component. We'll see what is that, how that works. So today's file we will create under the class folder. The recording was not stopped, or it has. So recording was not